Okay. Okay. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, have a note and a
Yes,
pen.
ma'am.
I will also send this PPT today. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Just 1 minute.
Just about the professor. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You can start.
So we are going to see what are the states of mind, how to improve concentration, how to regain instant energy, how to do memory process and memory techniques. So today we will see concentration, tomorrow we will see memory. Okay. So you will have, what is that it will do is it will help you to increase your concentration. It will increase your memory power.
Ma'am, like it will help you to memorize the important parts.
Yes, memorize and get some energy when you're feeling tired to study. That also tricks
Yes,
and tips I will share. Then reduce your stress and finally you will get high marks. So there are 4 states of mind: alpha, beta, theta, delta. Alpha is a very relaxed state. Beta is a brisk state. Generally when you on the daytime work, play. Theta is a drowsy state, like you feel like sleeping, and delta is in the deep sleep state. So alpha state only you will start memorizing everything. Beta state you will still study, but when you are in alpha state, you will the contents which you are studying, it will go into your mind memory very deeply. So when
yes,
you are
ma'am.
so if you can see on the screen what are the activities that you can just a second. I'll just what are the activities that you can do during this stage? Okay. So
Yes.
this time you can do this recording assignments, physical routine work means exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
When you are in a relaxed state, you have to do the studies. Okay.
Ma'am, so basically, like when we are like calm and relaxed, that time we should do
That
it.
time you should study. Okay. But if you are very hyperactive or if you are feeling very sleepy also, you can bring it to relaxed state. Okay. You can change the states. I'm going to teach you how to change. Then deep sleep is when you sleep. So that is not just understand deep sleep is a delta state. So when you,
Ma'am, could you just show it once more? Just 1 minute.
I'll send you the PPT. Don't worry. I'll send you the
No, ma'am.
PPT.
Just 1 second.
Yeah.
I'm nearly done with it.
Yeah. So you have to understand to study, you have to be in the alpha.
Ma'am, you can again.
So concentration technique. So when you sit to study, sometimes you sit for 1 hour, but you will not be able to finish even 1 or 2 pages. That is poor concentration you have that time. Sometimes you will study good. Sometimes you will sit with the book, break your head, but still you will not move pages. Okay. Then you say, no, I'm working very hard. God is not helping me. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Right? Then I'm not getting what I deserve. Others are getting good marks. Okay. So that all that is there. Then, so what do you have to do? You cannot just open your book and start studying. You have to prepare your mind for concentration before you sit to study.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
when you eat food, the food on digestion releases glucose and burnt and releases oxygen in your body, and you get energy plus carbon dioxide complete going out of your body. This process is called metabolism. You all know it, right? You all know it. This is the metabolism happening. So when you breathe in, the metabolism is high. Like when you eat a food, when you get an oxygen, okay, you get food, you also get oxygen. When you breathe also you get oxygen. So when you do proper breathing, there is going to be a peak concentration. And if you are in the this state, like if you are in the beta state, like you're very hyper, you want to jump around but still you have to sit and study, then you have to do the deep breathing and you will calm down, and then you can start studying. Okay. And also you will feel energetic. If instantly you will feel energetic, and you will remember whatever you learn. So before do studying, you have to do a breathing exercise. Sanjeev, clear?
Ma'am, like
Yes, ma'am.
not sure.
Sanjeev, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for breathing, we can when we like take a deep breath, ma'am, we are more concentrated during studying, ma'am. That's
Yes. Yes.
nice, ma'am.
We have to do just the breathing. Why to do breathing before study? Because it brings you back to the alpha state. That's it. Okay. So concentration, when there is no concentration, it means your breathing is not normal. You once you focus on the breathing, which comes from the abdominal breathing, breathing in deep and out, from the abdominal up and out, you know how to breathe, right? When you inhale, abdomen goes out. When you exhale, abdomen goes in. So that's a proper breathing, and exhalation is longer. That time you will start feeling calm, and the concentration gets better. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how to improve concentration? So you should have a clarity like, why should I study? What I'm going to do? Unless until when you don't find the answer for this, your concentration will not improve. You will not focus. You will not you will be interested in studies. So what you have to do is, why I am studying? What happens if I study well? This you have to understand.
Ma'am, if we study, I feel like we get more knowledge. We know about what to do in the right times, and then we also can do whatever we want to do.
Yeah, you have to say these words to you regularly whenever you lose your concentration. Like, okay, I need to study because I have to get the knowledge. Once I get the knowledge, I will be respected for my knowledge, and I'll also be paid for my knowledge. See, now you're all coming to my session because what? You're paid, you're paying for my knowledge, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm getting paid. So, so I am also feeling good, and I am also feeling acknowledged. It's just motivating me, right? So then you will have the interest in studies. So what happens when you guys come and say your sessions are helping me? That is motivating me. Then I go back and study more. So I am still studying, as I said that day. I will go and study next lessons. Then I will come back with the PPT for other students. So tomorrow morning I'm doing another college session in a college for entrepreneurship. So what happens? The reason is why I need to study. You have to understand the question. If you ask this question to
It's
yourself,
all interlinked.
huh?
So it's all interlinked.
It's all internal things. Exactly. So you have to avoid distractions as you near your exams, at least for the 2 months. Suppose your exam is on this December, then 2 months you need to, of course, now itself we are having no social life. It's boring. But what I am telling now, spend more of take like minimum half an hour every day. Take a break. Take a break, go and play. Take a break, listen to music. Before and all, you will play all day outside. Okay. But now already we are inside home. So you need to expose yourself to vitamin D. Vitamin D gives you a lot of concentration and focus. Okay, play as
Okay, ma'am.
possible, or cycle, or go out and do. So we are going to see the 10 this 10 exercise I'm going to teach you today. We'll stop the session. Tomorrow we will see. Okay. I'm going to teach you all these 10 methods. Okay. First one is alpha breathing. So alpha breathing is, what you have to do is breathe in, hold, then release. Okay. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. So I'm going to tell you to going to do with me. So breathe in, just sit and breathe, sit straight and breathe in. Okay. Then hold, then release 3 times. Shall we do? Breathe in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Release. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2. Release. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, you have to sit and do whenever you feel very active, mind is not focused, mind, you are not able to control your mind. You have to sit and do this. If you do for 15 minutes, you will get back all your concentration wherever your mind is wandering.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Breath observation is nothing but just sit. See where how your breath is moving in the diaphragm. Just sit. You don't need to do. Just see where is your breath. Here, here. Just see is it very fast. You don't do anything. Just see whether you're breathing fast or breathing very slow. Whether stomach is expanding or the lung is expanding. Just observe. For sit for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and observe your breath. Okay. Now, did you notice my voice? I also become calm, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Suddenly I became calm because I noticed my breath.
Yes, ma'am.
And I realized I am getting excited. Okay, let me calm. See, this is the power to immediately change. Okay. So you
Ma'am, so like the activeness depends on the breathing.
yes, yes, yes. If you are highly active, your breathing will be very fast. Anxiety is also because of fast breathing. Okay.
Okay.
Goal clarity, that is what we are doing. Last week we did goals. So when you set your goals clearly, you will have a lot of concentration. That is why last week I taught you goals. Okay. Cyclic method is nothing but you have to take a chart.
Okay.
Okay. You have to take a chart and write the cyclic method. Okay. First, we will see negative cyclic method. If I didn't study well, my marks will go low in the exams. My marks will go, I will not get any college admission. If I now don't get any college which I'm looking for, then I will not get good job. If I don't get good job, I can't earn much. If I don't earn much, I have to face financial problems. If I face financial problems, I will not buy home, car, and then I'll feel bad about myself. Then I will not be settled in life. Then I'll get stressed and depressed. This is a negative cycle. You understand? Positive cycle. I study, work hard. I earn good marks. I get good college and school. Once I finish, I'll get good job, good money. Then settled in life, happy life, marriage, etc., etc., etc. Wherever you want, vacations. So this
Like we
positive
can get
cycle,
whatever we want.
huh?
We can get whatever we want.
Yes. So what you have to do is you have to write your positive cycle. If you study well, what are the impacts in your life? So make it a cycle, okay? And draw it in a chart and put it in a room. Whenever you are feeling, why should I study? What is the point in studying? Then you can go through this positive cycle method. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the ways to improve your concentration. Yoga, tree pose. You know how to do tree pose in yoga?
Yes, ma'am.
So that increases lot of concentration. So do
Okay,
it
ma'am.
5 minutes a day, every day. Every day, 5 minutes. Yoga, tree pose, you stand, then start. And when you do the tree pose, you have to fix a point on the wall. Focus on that point for 5 minutes when you're standing. You will get a lot of concentration. And another technique is called glancing. So, okay, suppose if you're going to start to study one chapter, just
Okay,
5
ma'am.
pages are there in the chapter. Then go through all the 5 pages. Okay, what is that? What is the topics? Prepare your mind that I am going to read this chapter. These are the topics inside the chapter. Just don't take one page and bluntly study. Then fix in your mind, this is 5-page chapter. I'm going to finish 2 pages today. And this 2 page, these are the contents I'm going to cover. Tell all this into your mind and then sit to study. Then meditation. I gave you one meditation exercise, right? I gave you breathing exercise. That and all you can practice every day to increase your concentration if you have concentration issues. And if you also go to YouTube, there are a lot of concentration increasing music, which you can put it while studying in your ear and write your activities or notes. Now I'm going to give you this activity, 8th activity. Okay. All of you take a pen the paper. So what you're going to
1
do
minute.
is, what you're going to do is,
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
the note. I'll show you. Like this, you're going to draw some zigzag curves. You can draw like this, anything. Okay, draw some 3 zigzag curves like this. All of you switch on your video for a minute if you can. 1 minute, then you can switch it off.
Ma'am, I want my video.
You want your,
Ma'am, I want my video.
you want your on your video.
Ma'am, I want it.
What do you want?
Ma'am, I've on my
You
video.
want your video. Okay, okay. So okay, Sanjay. So draw the zigzag curves. Okay, draw 3 curves. All of you. Yes, all of you. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now the challenge. I'm going to challenge you. Okay. Okay. The challenge is overwrite the curves without coming a bit. All 3 of you overwrite the curves without overwrite it just without coming out a bit. Go overwrite. Start.
Ma'am, we have to write on top.
Yeah. Overwrite is that. Start right on top. Without coming a bit. Done? Okay. Sanjeev done? That's why I asked Sanjeev to switch on the video. It's not switching on. Sanjeev done? Who is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi? Is it Janvi there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Janvi done the activity?
Ma'am, I'm in a car.
Oh, you are in a car. Okay.
I'll do it later.
No problem. If you see me, you will do it later. Okay. Now keep okay, Sanjay. Okay, ma. Okay, Vipul, keep it down. Vipul, answer me. Vipul and Sanjeev, answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, this is not for her, Janvi. Okay, Janvi is saying. Oh, okay. So yeah, Vipul and Sanjeev have to answer this question.
Yes, ma'am.
While you both were drawing, what I was doing?
Ma'am, I did not.
Huh?
Ma'am, I did not notice.
Okay. What about you, Sanjeev?
Ma'am, I don't get the question, ma'am. Can you repeat?
While you were overwriting the curve,
Yes, ma'am.
what I was doing?
Ma'am,
I-
that I didn't notice, ma'am.
You didn't notice.
Like I remember just seeing once and then you were just sitting.
I was just sitting. Okay. Where your concentration was there? If you didn't notice me,
Ma'am, on my pen.
on your pen and the note, right? You know what all I did?
What?
She will tell. Janvi will tell what all I did. Janvi, what all I did? You didn't notice?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi was looking at something and just hearing. I drank this bottle of water. Then I did like this. Then I did like this. Then I did like this. Then I came back. Just 4 things I did. So you are not distracted, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am, like only once I just did.
So whenever you're sitting to study, if your mind is distracted, if you don't know how to focus, practice this activity for 10 times, draw some lines. Then next time, draw very difficult lines and try to overrate it. Your concept,
Ma'am, like lots and lots of curves.
lots and lots of
Curves.
curves. Yeah, once you do it, your concentration will come back to the room, back to your space. Whatever your mama and papa is fighting or your sister dancing in front of you, you will not at all notice. Your focus will be on the paper only. Okay, got it? Got it? Overwriting zigzag curves?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before this I move on. Tell me,
Ma'am, will I get a recording of the
you will
class?
get a recording, you will also get a PPT of this.
Okay.
Today I will send. I think goal setting I sent. This alone I have to send.
Ma'am, you sent for goal setting.
I sent. Okay. Okay. Tell me out of 8, how many of you liked the exercise? Which one you liked? Alpha breath observation,
Ma'am, the breathing thing, ma'am.
breathing one.
Ma'am, my favorite was the overwriting the lines.
Okay. Okay. Then next one more is self-hypnosis. So whenever you wake up, you can do this.
Okay.
Now I
ma'am.
want all two of you. See, Janvi is in the car. If she shouts, her mom will laugh at her. Okay, let her excuse her. The other two, repeat these words on the screen. I will surely repeat the words.
Okay, ma'am. I will
Uh,
surely become
I will
an
surely become an outstanding student.
I will be a great achiever in life.
I will
I will
prove my worth.
I can do it. I can. I will use my time usefully this whole day today. This is my challenge. This is my challenge. This is my challenge.
Okay, Sanjeev, go ahead.
I will surely become an outstanding student. I will be a great achiever in life. I will prove my worth. I can do it. I can. I will use my time usefully for this whole day. This is my challenge. This is my challenge. This is my challenge.
Awesome. So how do you feel? Both of you feel little powerful?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll send you this. Say this in front of the mirror every day and see the magic. Okay. And this one you're using in the affirmations. I'm dedicated, I'm honest, I'm noble, I'm energetic. If you're
Ma'am,
feeling
like
I am focused, I'm concentrated, all this you can say. Okay, before sitting to study or any time of the day.
Ma'am, before doing study, I say that I'm focused, I'm smart, I am confident. And
Awesome. Awesome. Awesome.
it actually helps.
Awesome. I say I'm happy, I'm beautiful, I'm very beautiful. I am people love me. Then every day people say you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Because when you start saying from inside, it goes to the outside. You like it. Your body starts showing it. Okay. So I said I will do that. I'm intelligent, I'm strong. I say I am successful in my business. See, just before 1 hour before, I did a session for 50 professors and lecturers across India. I just finished the session and took 1 hour break and came to this session. That's why we are having this time. So it's all because of these affirmations. Okay. So affirmations are very powerful. Don't take it easily. The more you use it, I know some of you are still not writing and not sending activities, but please use this. This is going to be your success mantra.
I'm like doing as quick as like possible. Like I want to like, just like quickly write it and then like use it whenever needed. Every night I do remember to do it, but suppose it's like after I've come from a long day, like I'm like, okay, I'll do it tomorrow.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is this visualization is closing your eyes and picturing yourself what you want. I'll send a small meditation if possible on visualization. Just close your eyes and there is going to be visualization music. After hearing to that music for 5 or 10 minutes, you have to go to any editing tool. You can use any editing tool, Canva or anything online. Okay. Get the pictures, the car you want, the mobile you want, the house you want, people you want, friends you want. Just put the pictures and make a collage and send it. Okay. That's your vision.
Ma'am, so like we can visualize whatever we want.
Whatever you want. You know what I want?
What, ma'am?
That car is my dream car. R.
Ma'am, the same one you said during the goal
What
setting
is that
day.
car called? R. It starts with the name R.
What, ma'am?
My dream car. It's 23.
Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce. Yeah, it's 23 crores starting. It's my dream car. Okay. Okay. That's my goal.
Ma'am, that's my mom's dream car too.
Okay.
Ma'am, my dream car is to actually make my own car itself.
Make your own car. That's even awesome. That's even awesome.
Ma'am, that way we can make it however we want.
However you want. Make it. Dream it and make it. You draw it, you color it on the internet, put it, take a picture and put it on the vision board. Okay. And the thing is, do the vision board and take the pictures, cut it out and put it on the vision board and send it in the group and put it on your study room. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so whenever you are feeling tired, see, I taught you 10 things for concentration. 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming back, I'll tell you all in a while. Alpha breathing is breathing technique. Inhaling, holding, relieving. So 3 or 4 inhale, 2 hold, 4 or 5 exhale. So usually we will say 4 to 5 or 4 to 7 or 4 to 6 is general. 4 to 6 you can use. 4 inhale, 2 hold, 6 exhale, crowns. Then breath observation is just quiet. Observe your breath. You don't need to do anything. The next one is right. You have written down the goals, right? You will make a goal sheet, right? That goal sheet, you have to put it in front of your room and look it whenever you are sitting to study or whenever you are not feeling motivated or concentrated. The another
Okay,
one is
ma'am.
cycling method, negative cycle. If you don't study, what are the results in your home? If you study, what are the results in your life? So understand the cycle, make a positive cycle. Don't make a negative cycle. Just make a positive cycle, put it on the room.
Okay, ma'am.
If I study well, I'll get placed well, I'll get job well, I'll get college well, I'll get good money, etc. etc. Then work on it. Then yoga, 5 minutes of yoga tree pose. Then glancing,
Yes.
before sit to study, just have a glance of the subject or chapter. Then meditation, which I've taught you, which I've sent you.
A bit of how I study.
Huh?
Like that's a bit of like usually how I study. Like first I just read through and then again I study.
Yeah. Then zigzag curves, you can do it 10 or 20 curves to bring back the attention where you have lost before you sit to study. That will instantly bring back your attention to the paper and the pen and the note you want to study, like what people experience now. And Sanjeev also had it. So self-hypnosis, this you can, I'll send you the PPT, you can use it.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you can use I am and use any of the thing in the table every day
Okay, ma'am.
to make you feel more powerful. And visualization is just close your eyes and visualize what all you want in your life, what all you want to be after 10 to 15 years in your life. Then once you understand, you can paint the picture or take a picture and make a vision board and put it on your study area. So now we have seen about concentration. We are going to move. I'm going to teach you 10 techniques for energy, instant energy. So water.
Ma'am, so then get to beta.
Huh?
Ma'am, so it will be getting to beta.
I
Ma'am,
can't
like
understand.
the state of mind.
Yeah, the state of mind, you get energetic. If you're dull, if you're tired, you will get immediately energetic. So water, keep sipping water. Body yawning, keep the palms at the back of your neck. Like this, I want you to do. Bring forward the elbows to touch. Take your hands backwards. Bend the shoulder like this, go back. Then bring the elbows again front. Then stretch your hands into the air. Put your hands down. Turn your head left and right and blow air. Okay, this is body yawning. Body yawning cannot be done when your stomach is full. So it's basically stretching out, okay, and stretching your hands and moving your neck,
Okay, ma'am.
blowing out. Why I'm blowing out? Because the carbon dioxide inside the body makes you feel tired and lazy. Once you let out the carbon dioxide, you will feel very energetic. Okay, got it? Ears.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do this. All of you do this. Pull out, like hold your ears and pull it forward. So you can pull up, pull down, pull front, pull back. Okay, just with little pressure in the ear lobes. So how do you feel doing this? It's very relaxing actually. Little bit stretch it out. Like if you stretch, you will feel the relaxation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you will feel very relaxed. Okay. So this will relax you. See, I'm very relaxed after doing this. So ear stretching, blinking technique. You have to take 2 cups of water and or go to the bathroom and wash your face. Splash cool waters in your face. Immediately you will get freshness. Balloon technique. Get some balloons, blow it 6 to 10 times, make it, play with the balloon, enjoy it. You will have a lot of energy. Why balloon? Because when you blow a balloon, what I'm putting out, I'm giving out air, right? Anyway, what air goes out of your body? What air goes out?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Oxygen energizes you. Carbon dioxide is very lazy, makes you feel tired because it's toxic. We don't need it. When I blow it out the balloons, all my carbon dioxide goes out and my body again fills it with oxygen. So I feel very fresh. Did you understand the technique behind this? So go and buy some balloons and play with it, and you will feel very, very energetic when you're feeling low, depressed, irritated. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Acupressure, you can use some that acupressure slippers or mat, which when presses your feet, your brain gets activated. Train technique. Okay, come on, do this and massage your eyes and cheeks. This also regenerates you, like makes you
Ma'am,
calm.
makes you feel relaxed.
Yeah, you will feel relaxed. Anywhere when you touch your any part of your body, here, you will always feel relaxed because you are consoling, you're connecting with your body. Okay, so energy breathing technique. So this is also called progressive muscle relaxation. I want you to try this. So take a deep breath. When you take a deep breath from the foot, hold everything tight. Okay, for a second. Then when you release all the full body release. So when you hold the feel from the toe, release. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Do it and feel it one time. I'll wait. Do and feel all of you one time. This cosmic energy is happens when you sleep. Actually, when you sleep, you all know, right? When you sleep, your tongue automatically touches your palate. Everybody, when they sleep, this happens. So when you're connected, this means you're connected with your cosmic energy. That's why you're in a deeper state of sleep. So you can sit and touch your upper palate. Also do meditation and get energy. Okay. So then it's not you, but some people say, oh, I'm feeling very tired. I'm feeling very lazy to study. No, I don't have the energy. When you keep saying that, you will feel sad and tired and depressed. So stop saying all that. Tomorrow we will see memory techniques. Today I am done with this topic. So I will share the recording. I'll stop the recording.